Why 2022 is going to be the best year for Gala. Hey there, guys, and welcome back to the Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Quickly, before we start, we have to tell you that this video is not financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. So before investing any money, please do your own research. And with that being said, let's jump into the video now. Are you delighted to be here? We're in the same boat. Not only was 2021 a very successful year for Gala Games, but it was also a hugely profitable year for the whole business of play-to-earn games. People from all walks of life are waking up as the blockchain's true potential for player empowerment continues to emerge. And gaming, too. They're recognizing their rights. Innovators like Gala Games help them learn that their attention is valuable and can be converted into cash, that everyone must spend countless hours in jobs that detract from rather than add value to their lives is a view shared by them as well. Gala is the token used in the Gala Games network. Gala Games makes blockchain-based games that lets players be in charge of how the games are run. Many gamers have seen a big change in the way games are made today. Gaming companies can change games on the fly. For example, by removing objects or changing gameplay rules. Companies stop running game servers when it isn't profitable for them, even if there are still a lot of people who are still interested. People have also said that many popular games have been accused of arbitrarily banning people, locking them out of what they earned or paid for, and giving them no way to fight back. By using the blockchain, Gala Games tries to solve this problem. That was just a quick reminder of what Gala coins are. Now, why do you think 2022 is going to be a breakthrough for this game? These are some of the reasons. First, Gala will be doing things differently. Since the inception of Gala Games, we have operated in a manner distinct from that of our previous gaming platforms and corporations. We are here to lead the world into a new ownership paradigm, which starts with a revitalized sense of play. Our founders recognized early on that many of the conventional business playbook concepts would need to be abandoned in order to succeed in the brand new and rapidly growing blockchain market. Gala are going fully remote. Gala Games has seen both incredible advantages and significant obstacles. As a totally remote firm with over 200 team members, working from home demands a team of self-starters, driven people with creative abilities. Without the confines of an office, however, the most driven employees are constantly at risk of working a bit too hard. While communication is very structured because two platforms like Slack and Discord, unexpected gaps in communication might occur owing to a lack of face-to-face closeness. 2022 will be the year in which we master the art of maximizing these benefits while minimizing the drawbacks. Gala comes from many companies. However, although the bulk of our staff has prior professional expertise in the gaming business, a genuine interest in gaming is a much more effective condition for being a part of the Gala Games crew. Our diversified workforce has amassed a plethora of unique expertise, which will be very valuable to us as we continue to expand our operations. Gala has no ICO. In the blockchain arena, many of Gala's competitors started with an investment round or an ICO, initial coin offering, which enabled some type of airdrop or token distribution to early users to attract more investors. Gala Games, on the other hand, did not. The choices taken by Gala Games were not intended to be made by a venture capital company with a low level of involvement or by an angel investor operating in the background. Instead, we chose to empower the gamers themselves by launching the building of our decentralized gaming network, which is now underway. Practicing decentralization is another reason why 2022 will be great for Gala Games. Gala's vision includes the development of the world's biggest decentralized gaming network, and its node ecosystem is critical to the achievement of that goal. Licenses for game-specific nodes, such as Townstar nodes, will be available for purchase when all 50,000 Founder node licenses have been sold. At some point, when Gala transitions its operations and assets to Gala Chain, a significant portion of the processing load for the Gala Games ecosystem will be carried by the devices that are acting as nodes. To put it another way, members of its community may purchase a license that will allow their computers to be used for Gala Games. The operators of these devices will get incentives in return for a portion of their available resources. Gala's platform will be able to expand, its players will prosper, and the community will be able to empower itself via ownership as a result of this decentralized approach. Another reason is that Gala schedules a busy feature that entails many activities. After all of the recent Galaverse news, many of Gala's employees are still suffering from it. From Certain Affinity's Last Expedition, the world's first play-to-earn first-person shooter, to Peter Molyneux's Legacy, there's something for everyone. From big IPs like AMC's The Walking Dead to technology advances like BT's generative audio-visual NFTs, the entertainment industry is exploding. With Gala Labs' cooperation with Under Armour and Curry Brand to transform the game for the better to its collaboration with the renowned Will Wright on Voxverse, there is something for everyone. These and other amazing developments have been announced by Gala, and they would like to remind you that this is just the beginning of their wonderful journey together. Gala Chain. Gala's proprietary blockchain is now in the final phases of development, and the company anticipates that migration to Gala Chain will be some of the most eagerly awaited news of the year for their community. Originally published on Medium, this blockchain has been developed specifically for Gala games. It will significantly cut network costs while also addressing a number of issues surrounding Ethereum that may otherwise impede long-term development. Added games. If you believe Gala has given away everything in the Galaverse, you are incorrect. There's more to it than that. Deals are in the works, and games are in the early stages of creation. The year 2022 is expected to bring a slew of significant enhancements to the Gala Games platform. And this is what the Gala promises to be like. So let's just sit back and hope for more P2Es. In addition to new partnerships with companies such as Frank Miller, Under Armour, and AMC's The Walking Dead, Gala has regular doses of excitement planned for you throughout the year 2022, as well as throughout the rest of the year. Giving back. Gala Games is just as enthusiastic about charity giving and environmentally friendly methods as they are about gaming itself. Gala adds that they can't wait to further increase our sustainability activities, especially after seeing such rapid growth in their team and having such successful releases and pre-sales under their belt. Power to the players. We all know that the year 2021 was not without its difficulties. The fact that people from all walks of life are experiencing difficulties as a result of socio-economic difficulties around the world, as well as the weight of a pandemic, is well known. The fortunate reality is that Gala have been able to develop such a robust community of great growth during these times is proof of the relevance of what we are doing. Player empowerment is a way of life for them, and we are committed to bringing it to as many people as possible in the future. We are filled with appreciation and excitement as we look forward to the unknown frontier of 2022. Thank you to our community for entrusting us with their confidence, loyalty, and support, and for enabling us to succeed into the new year. We will rush headlong into a task of blazing a path and pushing the limits of an emerging industry. We will provide a cutting-edge gaming experience, more prizes and incentives than ever before, and a potentially life-changing feeling of empowerment to every one of our players. This is a promise to the Gala players. The price prediction tells it all. Gala is a utility token that was made on the Ethereum network. It is an ERC20 token. It is the most important digital asset in the Gala Games ecosystem. It can be used to buy things, make payments, reward nodes, and more. Gala tokens are used to run the Gala Games ecosystem. Game types can be played on the platform. In the games, which are 100% free to play, you can get them over the blockchain through a decentralized application, DApp. Co-founder of Zynga and a gaming legend, Eric Schiermeier and Wright Thurston was one of the first big miners in the cryptocurrency space, and he has a lot of patents on blockchain technology. Michael McCarthy and Eric Schiermeier, the creative director behind viral gaming hits such as Farmville 2. Our conclusion therefore says that Gala is an excitement investment with a good rate of return. During the last 24 hours, a lot of people have said that the token will go up in the long run. Putting your hard-earned money into the token in November could have made you a millionaire. Gala is an interesting mix of gaming and blockchain technology. It allows players and many traders to truly own their assets.